All right, Waylon here, the 347 small block board. Huge Christmas combination. Got a set of our CNC heads on it. Got some grind hydraulic roller. Got that Moroso rear sump oil pan. Got our Dyno covers on it. I think you got your own induction system. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3600, 381 foot-pound torque, peak torque 433, 434, it's right there. Peak horsepower 503, so everything's good. We'll do now, pull up ice back, make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple things here. When you see your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card. It is full of technical information. In the crate will be this engine spec sheet. Highly recommend reading all this. Have a great day.